Hello, everybody. Hope you had a great weekend. Thank you so much for being and coming on the video to watch what I'm about to demonstrate. This is the review that I've mentioned in the email, and you're gonna love this so much. Okay, so let's get into it. I want to get to the bottom of it, get you all the information needed for TV Boss Fire. Okay, this is going live on Tuesday, 11 a.m. EST. Obviously, they do have a webinar at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but for insiders, okay, so I have got a real good relationship with Todd Gross, Craig Crawford. Craig Crawford is the actual owner, creator of TV Boss Fire. Now, TV Boss launched back in 2018, and I was almost gonna be part of this product, and it failed for reasons coming from me. I was busy, and Craig wanted out, and there was already and it was massive. Okay, I regretted the fact I wasn't part of it. I was gonna have a share in the company, and yeah, it's a big regret, but it's awesome to be able to showcase it because it was massive. TV Bus Fire is all about having your own channels on the Roku and Amazon Fire devices. They've got over 220 million viewers. A lot of people would pay a lot of money to get onto this, but that's where the technology that Craig created here with his team. He created a way for users to be able to use TV Boss Fire and get into creating channels, multiple channels into on Roku and Amazon, which gives you a huge advantage. It's not like a YouTube channel, it's an actual like a TV channel. So you're an instructor, yoga instructor, real estate agent, you want to, give advices, all that. You've got your own channel. And a lot of people, what they did back then, they've grown a channel and they've sold the channel for six figures. It's not like an easy number because when you have such a huge audience, the value is in the viewers, right? You have such an audience, you sell it for a greater amount of money, plus you're making a lot of money out of it. If you're into internet marketing, you can have like the money making whatever and create your own kind of channel, hosted on both Roku and Amazon Fire, which is you know I can't even describe it. It's to that extent. And I know a lot of my customers, I'm not going to give a percentage, but I know, over 70% of my customers are 100% into this. Okay. Now we got an insider. We're going to be attending the webinar before everybody else. Okay. It's going to be at 8 p.m. EST Monday. Okay. So basically tomorrow. Okay, from I'm shooting it on Sunday, this video. That should be tomorrow, Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Uh, they're gonna explain everything. Now let me show you the demo real quick, and I'm gonna share it in the JV in the document that I actually created for you as always. Let's get into it.
Hello and welcome to the TV Boss Fire overview video. This is where it all begins, okay? And it's a very, very simple page. Once you log in, you will land on this. Every time you create a channel in this grey bar down here, a whitey grey bar, your channels will populate. With every time your channel pops up, you can choose anything from you viewing it to edit it to switch it over to another account on TV Boss, or even share on social media to get more eyeballs to it. Okay, now moving on from there, if you want to add a channel, just literally click the right icon here, create a channel, and you basically enter some simple details to begin: the name, the description, the channel icon which you upload here, and that is the first step to creating your channel. Number two is the settings. Once you've saved that, the provider name, the language, your contact email, your affiliate URL, because we also have about, watch, and store pages, which means anyone who watches this from kind of coming from external traffic like Google, say they search your channel or they search for content is on your channel and find it, if they're wondering how you've actually made this channel, you can actually get affiliates from that, or you can turn them off. You can also embed them, as it says here, but you have to save the channel first, into a website of your choice, as long as it supports HTML, and then you watch and publish. It's simple as that for this step. Now, moving on, we have videos here also. So you can add 10 items per page, as it says, and it says click click below to add your first video details. So basically this is all it takes, and you basically just click the plus and then go from there. We prompt you with everything. Like I say, if you see here, you see these tooltips, they all have little tooltips which show you everything that's needed. As you can see, it says 114 by 114 channel logo, PNG image in your Fire TV channel, not used by Roku. So there's different elements in here that tells you exactly what you need. Like it says here, maximum 200 characters. This channel name is to be displayed in your Fire TV channel, not used by Roku. So this is your channel here and not in Roku. Everything leads you through it. Very, very simple, but we have training as well. So it's not as if it's something difficult to do. Moving on, we have the tutorials, which we have the knowledge base, essentials on using your TV Boss Fire, which is the main training. You get access to TV Boss, but the beautiful thing of it is you can brand this with white label if you have the license as well. We also have the bonuses that you're eligible for here, and then also downloads, which is Mac, Linux, Windows, and Android and iOS are coming soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick overview, but it's seriously, seriously easy to create and manage TV channels with all the training that you ever need.
Look at those examples, guys. Like, these are TV channels created. They've done so well on, both Roku and Amazon Fire. There's so much potential, huge exposure and reach to target audiences. So say there's a bunch of women that they want to, watch a yoga channel. It's based on niche. Basically, you can target anything, and you grab all this audience as if you own a TV channel, right? And look at those. So they teach you how to create content as well, okay, and how to use free content to leverage creating a successful channel, right? Like, you don't even have to pay for that content. Super easy. Okay, now I'm going to show you the sales page. Okay, what they've done here, and they've done it before. Okay, there's a front end. Okay, yeah, you must buy the front end. Now I got my own $15 off coupon to my own customers. I think they're going live at $77. With my $15 off, it takes you down to $62 for that. And then it takes you up to a choice. So you can pick to buy the upsells. There's three upsells. Or you can actually buy the Fast Pass package, which you can buy all the upsells for one price. And I believe it's $197. Super, guys. Super cheap. Okay. This is going to give you everything. If you don't, honestly crazy, because uh, like I was discussing with Craig just a couple days ago. I'm like, I want to open my own channel. Given I do a lot of stuff, not just digital marketing. I'm into a lot of stuff and a lot of businesses. I'm entering real estate as well, so I want to create my own channels. He's like, you know what, man, like, you don't even need me to train you on that, because we have tutorials for everything. And especially when Top Rose puts his name on something, obviously it's an Oscar, yeah, an award winner. So two of the largest TV networks in the world with an audience of 440 million eyeballs. Okay, I was wrong. I said 220 million. Well, basically, if you add them up, it's 440 million, which is a huge amount, right? And then it tells you all about it on the sales page. No need for you to create content. We train you how to acquire the good stuff for free. It gives you statistics, US connected TV users by brand 2018 and 2022. Look at that. That's real cool right here. And look at 2022, 45% now. Okay, crazy. Viewers tune in for an average of 50 hours each per month, which is as well crazy. That's Craig. Actually, I'm gonna meet Craig. There's a UK, there's a summit, a conference for digital marketing in the UK in London, uh, on the 11th. Not this Monday, the Monday after. I'm gonna be there Sunday for 5 days. And Craig is gonna be there. A lot of big digital marketers are gonna be there, and I'm gonna meet with all of them. Gives you 54% growth in global live TV streaming is coming through local. You know, a lot of big companies, a lot of TV channels actually have now, you know, made their audience go into Roku and subscribe, you know, so they can watch their content. You know, say there's a TV channel, but they have like certain episodes and you want to watch it on demand, you go onto Roku and play them there, right? It's just, you know, astonishing. I mean, honestly, you can see me. I can even like explain the possibilities. You know, having your own TV channel. It's that crazy. Okay, within our times, tells you everything here. Okay, now here's the document that I usually share. It got everything right here. It got the front end. I don't think, yeah, I did. We did. Yeah, okay. That's not the bundle link. Okay, that gives you all the upsells for a one-time fee, but you have to buy the front end. Okay, you have to buy that, and then you can buy all the OTOs right here instead of buying them one by one. And there's a $15 coupon, which I'm gonna paste very soon. On that, the demo video is right here. Tells you everything about what TV Boss can give you, and the upsells are right here. Okay, all the bonuses, thanks to my team, they created an amazing bonus package to our customers. And I think on Friday we gave something out for free, and we're gonna keep doing that as well. Okay, now to request the bonuses, obviously you have to contact, email tvboss fire.com, okay, with the subject line special bonuses. If you need anything or any questions, please do contact me at deal of the day at gmail.com. Most of you do have my email address by now, right? uh, Guys, don't miss this. The whole market is going to be on this. You're going to see a lot of marketers sending an email for this because it's highly beneficial. As usual, I only do suggest and give out information on products that actually work, that benefit my own customers. I don't usually there's around 6 to 8 product releases, right? And I only do like 6 or 7 in month that are superb, like high level, like something that my team and myself would benefit from 100%. And that means it would benefit my customers because there's tutorials, there's a team, there's a support team, there's all the technology is available, not bullshit, right? So everything is on here. And thank you so much for joining and watching this till the end. Have a great day. And